My name is Anurag Kumar. I am the chairperson for the company Biodeal Pharmaceuticals. So we are basically pioneer in nasal sprays. We are very much concentrated with our vision and strategy for the nasal spray. We are the largest CMO of nasal spray in India, having more than 60 different doses in nasals. Then the another segment that we position ourselves is DPIs, followed by the cosmetics, cosmo and nutraceutical products, followed by the global brand Vitagen with the name of the recipes, which we globally market in more than 30-35 countries. So this is what Biodeal. Biodeal is having the 18 year of experience. From the last 18 years, we has given 21 number one brands to India. Of course, those brand doesn't belongs to Biodeal, but the faith of the top Indian companies is there with us, and we proud of our partners. Further, I feel that the upcoming times we are going to grow with more than 50%. The last 3 years also we have grown up more than 50% of the sales, and the coming up times we are coming up with the USFDA plant in nasals, which is going to be the first CMO USFDA plant. Recently, we have achieved the PICS approval for our plant, and this is the happiest moment for us. So, all the best to all our partners and good luck for this PICS. This year, the IPHEX response is tremendously good in comparative to the last 6 years that we participated. So, thank you for the organizers.